Hi guys! I just got my license Adobe Acrobat Pro account, and for those who don't know, Adobe Acrobat Pro is a great tool to work with your PDF documents or managing your documents. It is packed with the tools you need to view, annotate or edit, convert, sign, and share PDF files. So for those na maraming documents or papers na ginagawa on a daily basis, this would definitely help you and make your job easier. But before I proceed, take note, Adobe Acrobat Pro is different from Adobe Photoshop because as we all know, Adobe Photoshop is more on graphic designing, photo editing, and all that. So, I'll be making tutorials to help you learn how to use all Adobe Acrobat features in no time, one video per feature. So, we can discuss thoroughly yung mga functions kada feature ni Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, let's discuss the interface. As you can see, once I open up Adobe Acrobat Pro, meron tayong recent file section here. So, if you have any recent files, it will show up here. Second is yung bago nilang feature, si Starred. Lahat ng minarkahan nyo na star or favorite na documents will show up here as well. And then, last is C scans. Obviously, this folder is currently empty because I don't have any scanned files. Next, we have 3 ways to access our files. First is My Computer. Obviously, ito yung mga nakasave na files sa desktop nyo na i-access nyo. Just click Browse and then you can select files from there. Next is si Document Cloud. Ito naman yung mga web-based na sinave nyo na mga files. Next, Add an account. You have an option to add your box, your Dropbox, your Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint site. We also have here the shared section, shared by you, shared by others. And katulad ng ibang mga software or application, meron din siyang file, edit tab, view tab, sign, window, and help. So we're done with the home tab. Ngayon naman dito tayo sa tools. Tools tab, pag click mo siya, lalabas lahat ng features na meron si Adobe Acrobat Pro. Yan. And over here, you can see may mga shortcuts dito para mas madali mong i-select yung feature na gusto mo or yung gagawin mo once na nag-open ka ng file. Kasi pag may in-open ka ng file, dito siya mapupunta. So, yung section na to, nandito yung file nyo and it will be easier for you to see yung mga features dito. Yan. If you want to remove a shortcut here, click mo lang yung X na to. Yan. Yan yung mga nasa gilid na yung mga X. Tanggalin ng X. Yun. And then, if you wanna add something here, you can just drag. Yan lang. Now, let's discuss the first feature, Create PDF. Under Create PDF, meron pa din tayong option to work on a single file, multiple files, scanner, web page, clipboard, and blank page. And for our tutorial, let's use single file muna. If you have files na gusto mong gawing PDF, just click, select a file. And then, yan, magkakaroon tayo ng option to browse your desktop. Select ka lang ng file. And then, click create. Ngayong meron ka ng file na naka-open dito, click mo lang yung save. And then, pipili ka lang ng path na gusto mong pag-savean ng file mo. Tapos makita nyo dito, yung file type niya is PDF na. Just click save. After saving it, check natin yung file. Now, eto na yung picture na ginawa nating PDF file. That's it for today's video. If you like this content and want to see more, support our channel by leaving a comment and giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all our new videos, subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you.